Hey all, thanks for stopping by. I'm Joyce. This is my page from This Is That Creations. Today I'm joining Domestic Diva in her fall theme challenge. Make sure to check out her channel, and while you're at it, check out that playlist link down below with all the amazing DIYers. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. I enjoy upcycling, trash to treasure, thrift flips for my home decor on a budget. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Welcome all, DIY number 1. I got this container from the Dollar Tree a while ago. Thought this is a perfect time to spruce it up and use it. We're gonna grab our Dixie Belle drop cloth. New color I got, loving it. We're gonna coat this baby all over. Not all the way on the inside, just on the outer. And I do 2 coats. We have this ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree, so you can use anything you choose, but I love the burlap. We're gonna glue our first piece around the top, then we'll glue a second piece around the bottom. You'll see what I mean. See, there it is. Got this ribbon from the thrift store for $1/4, a huge roll, has a lot in it. I love the way it looks for fall. It's more traditional colors, so I'm going to show you traditional, then neutral, and farmhouse. Keep watching. So we're going to weave it. So we're going to go under and over, and then over and under. So hopefully that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing. I love this look. Just imagine the different colors you could do or styles. I'm just using what I have on hand. We'll glue our piece of fabric. This will help secure it so it doesn't move inside the container. Look at that, isn't that cute? I love this. I did this on a picture frame for a home fall sign as well. Loved it. It gets a little tricky getting it in and over, but you know, it's worth it. Look at how cute. Love it. There's some spaces I'm showing you, but we're going to cover those up. And the third piece of burlap. We'll glue inside of it and fold it over so it looks like an edging. I just love this. Super easy, but cute. It does take a little bit of time to weave those all around. Now I have this fabric. It's kind of like a drop cloth, look. I just fold it in half, the pieces I had, and glue it in the inside so it looks more, you know, done, I guess you'd say. A little long, so snip, snip. Now I do glue these pieces together so they'll stay put. I just want them to look more, what's the word I'm looking for? Put together? I also got that foam inside there from the Dollar Tree. It has the plastic, I left it on. So I have these little lunch bags. I'm just gonna tear them apart and crinkle them up just so that little foam does not move. Oh, look, cute. Now the Spanish moss. I love it. It's messy, but I love it. And I don't want to glue it in there, so I'm just gonna spread it over where you can't see the bag. You can glue it if you want. I got these flowers at the thrift store as well. I love the color. They go perfect with the ribbon. And then I have these I got from Walmart and my snip snip tools. That's what I call them, snip snips. There's cut off pieces and we're gonna stick them in the foam. And voila! Look how cute. Imagine all the different stuff. So I have this tag, and I actually got some of these at the thrift store. We're gonna use our Waverly Antique Wax, baby wipe in the lid, of course. You guys know that's what I do. I love the antique wax. You could do it any color you want. If you're doing neutral, farmhouse, whatnot, white. You know I love my white too. Now these little letters, I can't remember where exactly I got them, but I got them. So we're just spelling out fall. We're covering them with our Waverly Antique Wax. Oh, there goes one. They're hard to hold on to. Holding them with a pair of tweezers, people would work. I'm using a piece of that leftover fabric I cut earlier that looks kind of like a draw cloth. Just cut it and I kind of frayed it on the edges. We're gonna glue that on. Simple. Move back. And we're gonna place our fall on there. Super simple. You could decorate or embellish this any way you want. I just kind of wanted to go for a simple look. Because the basket's already weaved and takes so much character, I thought this simple little piece would add to it. You can write it on there, stickers, Cricut. We're gonna take a piece of twine, fold it in half, of course, you know how to do this. Put it through the hole and loop it through. I think they call it the larks, something knot. Then we're just gonna glue it on the edge of our basket. Look how cute, I love it. Super cute. I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I made a little simple shoelace bowl. Look how cute. All right, guys, DIY number 2. This is neutral. I found this for 99 cents at the thrift store. It's coasters in a little basket. How cute is it already? But I'm gonna change it around with antique Waverly wax in the lid with a baby wipe. Just gonna put it all over. I'm not gonna do the coaster pieces right now because I'm not sure if I wanna use them for something else. Then I also got this at the thrift store, antique Waverly wax. We're going to cover that with a baby wipe. Same thing, repeating myself, but here I am. You could do this heavy as you like or as light. You can do a different color. So it's going to be our stem on our pumpkin. Look at how cute that is. I love that look. Just do. I got this candlestick. I got 2 actually, both for 99 cents at the Goodwill. I always pick these up. We are going to paint this with the new stuff from Walmart, the chalk paint Swan White. I'm not loving it as much as my Waverly, but it's okay. A little brighter white. So we're gonna do a full coverage. I did not sand this down, so I'm gonna use my Mod Podge. We're gonna cover it all over with Mod Podge. I'm hoping this keeps the paint to stick and not scrape off. We're going to paint our little green leaves white as well. Just lay them down and paint those babies. Change the color, add more color. Just get creative. I paint in the back too, by the way. Then we're going to grab our little helper, dry these, help the process along. Then we're going to do a second coat of that Swan White, and it becomes much smoother. So be patient, trust the process. And what? Antique Waverly wax again? We're just gonna dry brush this on, rub it with our finger, blend it. You can skip this part, but I like this look. I think it all goes together great. So some spots are a little heavier, just cover it up with a little bit more white. Just play around with it, get creative till you like it. I end up loving it. Then gonna do that to the leaves as well. Dry brush some Waverly antique wax on, just to give it more definition, more character, make it more cohesive. Then I'll take the Swan White, dry brush it on the little stem and rub it around with my hand, my finger, just to blend it better. Now I have this little piece I had in my stash. I'm going to use that to secure this on better. I'm going to glue it on. And don't forget your Gorilla Grip. Permanent hold, instant gratification. So I do dabs of the glue, hot glue, and then dabs of the Gorilla Grip glue. Try saying that a few times. I just love finding pieces. I tell you guys all the time, change around, make it fit you. I love it. So I'm doing the same process. Hot glue dab, Gorilla Glue dab. Now I have to tell you, when I did put this on, I put some paint inside of it to hold it for a while to secure it better. I just don't show that. Now let's add our little stem on. You could do a smaller, you could do actual like wood pieces, cork, whatnot. This is what I had. I liked the bulkiness of it, so I went with it. You can change it around. Those glue strings, they drive me crazy. Oh. Now this piece of wire, and you've all probably done this before. I'm just going to take it around my pencil and twirl and twirl. I love the look of this. It's not original, but I love it, right? Squish it. We'll do it to both sides of this wire. Then use my snips and cut it in half, because I decided, snip. Sorry, I had to throw that in there. To take the piece and just push it through the basket hole, you know, the little holes in there. It worked better for me. Then we'll twist them together at the bottom. I'll show you that in a minute. See, there we are. And cut off the excess. And I was like, I don't want that to poke anybody. So we're gonna use one of those coasters. I painted it white. Glue it right on there. That way no one's getting stabbed by those little pokies. Just get creative, see? Make it work. Then I have these I got at the thrift store. Little husks, is that what they're called? I don't know, let me know. I'm gonna glue them onto the leaf just to give a little more character, just to spruce it up a little bit. You can miss this step if you don't want to, or add something different. I'm just using what I have because I have a lot. Don't all you crafters? I know you do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this twine and tie it around or wrap it around the bottom, just because I didn't like how it looked, to make it more nicer, cleaner look. Instead of a little sticky sticking out. Voila, see, there you go. Then I'm what else? Need something. So I found these little pine cones I got at the Dollar Tree. I have a bag of them. I dry brushed some white on there. I'm gonna glue them on the bottom. First I'm like, nope, oh wait, just kidding. Let me add this first. That would be easier, right? Sometimes we figure that out as we go. So I add one little pine cone and I'm like, let's stick this on there. And I know you can't see on the camera part because I can't flip it upside down, you know, on the side. So I thought, nope, I need something more. That's not working for me. So another pine cone and another pine cone. So I add 3 on there. Look how cute. See, you can just change it around all, you know, any different way you want. And ooh, there's the coasters. Love this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, DIY number 3. I have this metal piece I got at the Goodwill. Right there, 99 cents. I love the details on this, but I'm gonna change it around, wipe it down because it's been in the Goodwill. Clean it up, right? Look how cute it is. Wait, 1 minute. Oh, I'm back. Rust-Oleum flat white. I spray painted out my shop, and I absolutely love the way it looks. But I'm gonna grab my ink, Waverly, and my home decor clear wax. I'm gonna mix those 2 together. Voila. A little cloth I got from the thrift store, a cotton shirt I cut up, had stains on it. We're just gonna use our finger and go over all those details. Super cute, super easy. Takes a minute, but I love how it turns out. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. You can do different colors if you want. I thought I'd go black and white farmhouse, give 3 different DIYs, you know, neutral, traditional, and farmhouse. A little bit for everybody, and I love all of them. So my Cricut, I just cut out Our Family is Forever on this one. I usually like take my little Cricut tool and rub it so it comes off easier. I love that part. And just place it in our little left-hand corner. You can put whatever saying you on there. I just went kind of simple and what was already on my, you know, files. I love this part. Isn't this satisfying? I love it. Pull it right off. Look how cute. I love it. You could use stickers or stencils. And they have grateful, thankful, and blessed. So our family is forever grateful, thankful, and blessed. And I decided I was going to take that same ink wax, Waverly ink wax, and put around the edges of that detail, whatever people, you know what I mean, around the edges. Just to give it a little more character, and I absolutely love it. Love, love, love. Look how cute. And then I'm gonna take it outside, I'm gonna spray it with my clear coat. Look how cute this turned out. I absolutely love this. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and y'all have a good day.
Come back tomorrow. You know it's not enough that I can make you laugh. Why try to borrow?